Hi there everyone, it's Nonna Teresa. Today I'm gonna be making white almond cookies. I will start now with the white almond. Okay, now I will put the eggs. Just clean my hands. I'll put the sugar. Now I'll add the lemon juice. I'll mix. Okay, now I'm gonna use my hands. Doesn't take long to mix this dough. And it's done. So this will rest now, and I'll come back to continue, and we're gonna put them on the little cups. Okay, and I'm gonna start rolling, and this is a lot of rolling. This is just sugar and the food coloring here. I put a little bit of lemon juice with a couple drops of the coloring. I have some left, just in case your hands get a little sticky. You can just dip them in the lemon juice. Okay. I will start to roll. My hands are clean. I will do all the colors here. I have yellow, red, and green. Nice colors for Christmas. Okay, so I'm gonna dip the one side. And I'll put them in here. So now you put one of these on top. One of the white almond. So you can do this after, just put the almond on top. So I'm gonna just continue. Okay, so I'm going to show you what they look like now, and I'm going to continue because there's lots of rolling to do. See? Look nice. Almost done with the rolling. I'm doing it this, it's faster. You can just leave some plain too, just roll them in the sugar, just plain like that. Oh. Okay, the oven is ready. I'm gonna put this on. The cookies are ready. Nice. I hope you make it. Nice cookies for Christmas. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Until next time. Ciao for now.